So what's up guys, Sam here, and this is just a really quick video to let you know that my merch store has finally launched. This has been something I've been working on for the past few months and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So let me talk you through the designs I've come up with. So the really clean and simple shirts are the ones that come with my logo on them. They come in either black or white and are perfect if you're looking to keep things minimal. We then have two custom designs that I came up with based on some of the values I hold as a video editor. The first is, when in doubt, cut. And this is based off the philosophy that as video editors, we're often trying to trim things out of our videos to make them as punchy and short as possible to make the most impact in the least amount of time. It doesn't just apply to video editing though, it can also be applied to all facets of life. So a cool design, hopefully you like the look of it. The second custom design is based off the fact that I love using all capital letters in any form of text that I put in any video. I rarely, if ever, use lowercase letters, even outside of video editing. I even do my handwriting in all caps. So that's a shirt that I wanted to be able to wear. So hopefully you like that design as well. The when in doubt and all caps shirts come in a range of different colors, and all of the shirts come in both long sleeve and short sleeve variants. So hopefully you find something that you like. I know a lot of people have been asking me for a while, how can I support your channel? And buying my merch would be a great way to do so, because not only do you support me, but you also get something in return. So that is it for this video, guys. I know it is a bit of a self-plug video and I apologize for that, but this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I'm hoping that you actually like the designs and can see yourself wearing one of my shirts in the future. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you for your ongoing support, and I will catch you later.